the frost, the seeds lie still, a quiet promise, the soul's deep will. The winter whispers through barren trees, a sacred stillness on icy breeze. In quiet snow, the heart takes root, the soul prepares for life's pursuit. In silence deep, the spirit grows, through cold's embrace, the wisdom flows. Seasons for the soul, a timeless dance. Nature's rhythm guides our stance. From winter still to spring's embrace, we find our truth in nature's grace. In frozen ground, a spark ignites, hidden beneath the longest nights. The earth reflects what we can't see, the stillness birth eternity. We are the wind, we are the rain, the fallen leaves, the growing grain. Through every cycle we become whole, forever turn, seasons of the soul. Beneath the frost, the seeds lie still, a quiet promise, the soul's deep will. Beneath the frost, the seeds lie still, a quiet promise, the soul's deep well.